Hi guys, Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I'm here to share with you today my first project for the design team for YouArtist. And this is my first one, and I used this adorably cute little unicorn paper, and it has a lot of gold foiling, so my camera is going to go crazy. But anyway, is that not the cutest little unicorn ever? So what I made is a cute little mini album. So this is what I made. And let me just tell you how big this is. It is 7 3/4 by 9, and I have a 2-inch spine on it. So right off the top on the cover, I have a cute little pocket. It's magnetic, so I love that sound. It opens up, and then in the front cover, I put a nice little angle in the pocket. That way you can see what's inside. Otherwise, these tiny little photos mats would get lost and you wouldn't even know they're in there. So I made a nice little angle. Closes up like that. The front cover, or the back side of the front cover, just has a regular little pocket. And then this one's a little unique because I did different size pages in here. So this one here is 6.5 inches, so that's where that one is. And then I used a little closure like this, and it's just little brads holding it closed. And you can see the cute unicorn paper. Aren't they so cute? And then right here, a pocket to hold photos. And then it just closes up. I figured that the paper itself was very fun paper, so I created a mini album that would also be fun with different little unique closures and stuff. So anyway, after you close up that pocket, this actually lifts now to reveal a hidden pocket underneath. And then there's a little photo flap, 2 little angle pockets that also hold photos. And then folds down, and this is also a magnetic closure, so it's kind of a hidden little photo. And then on this side I have some more photo mats that I put at an angle with a tie closure. I thought it was fun, instead of having them going next to each other, I kind of angled them for a different look. And then it all opens up, and it's room for more photos in the back, as well as photos all on the things here. And then your photo mats also work to keep everything contained so nothing falls out. And then over on this side, now this piece here is 8.5 inches. So you can see with the yellow here how much shorter this one is to that one. And on here I have a waterfall and just a magnetic closure. Now this piece right here, I actually ended up with 2 cover sheets in my paper pack. I'm sure it was an accident, it wasn't supposed to be there, but I ended up with 2, which worked out nice because I just cut this guy out and used it for a nice look on my top photo mat. And then it's magnetic, and then they just all flip up. So I didn't add any white for the paper for photo mats here, but I didn't want to add too much bulk to it. And then you can always put a photo down there. And then we flip over to this side. So I have a little belly band right here with 2 smaller pockets. And then you can tuck photos behind it, so it's all room. And then another hidden little pocket or photo page. So right here, room for lots of photos, and you have these 2 here, which also open up. So right here you have room to go ahead and stick some photos and stuff, but that's not all. Hidden underneath are 2 little pockets with little photo mats tucked in, so you can put photos on this part here. So then these close down like this, and these are also magnetic, so they stick on here magnetic, as well as the larger photo flap is magnetic. Now over on this side here, I went ahead and created a little bit of a stacked pockets. So these ones here are 4 inches, and they actually move independently of each other. You can see the spacing right here. So it's just another fun little element with the book. So just little set of stack pockets to hold photos. And then we go back to this page, which kind of is a repeat to this page, so it's 8.5 inches. However, I didn't do all the hidden elements to this one, so I just added 2 little corner pockets right here. I didn't want the book to get too thick. So then on this side over here is another waterfall, and it's the same thing, just flips up. And then this page here is a repeat of this page, but as you can see, I worked them so they went opposite. So the envelope here is on the front page, and this little 4 photo mat thing is on the back part of that, where I did the opposite, just for something a little different. So opens up. And the little gold foil stars are so pretty. And there's just enough gold foil on here just to add a little bit of flash to your album. Oops. Oh my goodness. And then it flips over, and then the pocket on the back side. And opens up to hold another photo. And the smaller little print of the unicorns eating ice cream. And we close back down. And then again, we flip up to reveal a hidden pocket. So room for photos right there. And they're really pretty. This is a pink and a yellow striped paper. Really pretty. Then opens up. And then a little gold foil on those. And then it just all closes down. And on the back side again, just a simple little pocket on the back cover. And you can see the pink with the foil. And I used the same on the cover. And then the spine. Anyway, this paper is so cute, so fun. There's a lot of other very unique designs in some of the other papers, but you can see they're really, really cute. Anyway, this is my first project for YouArtist. I will leave a link down below to the website if you wish to pick up some of this paper yourself. I would probably recommend getting 2 packs if you're going to make a really big album. However, I did make this album with just the 1 paper pack. Kind of why there's a lot more photo mats than normal, but I think it worked out really good. Came out super cute. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my project. And oh, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye!